Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup rent receipts in AppFolio for Schedule E step by step clearly. Open your AppFolio account and log in. Navigate to the Reports section from the main dashboard. In the Reports section, look for the Advanced Reports option. Click on Advanced Reports to access the additional report types. Select Rent Roll from the list of available reports. Set the date range for the rent receipts you need to backup. You can choose either a specific date or a custom range. After selecting the date range, click on Generate Report. Once the report is generated, review the information to ensure. Look for the Export button, usually located at the top right corner of the report. Click on the Export button to open export options. Choose the format you prefer, such as PDF. For Schedule E, the CSV format is often more convenient. After selecting your format, click the Export option to download the report. Save the file in a location on your computer that is easy to remember. Open the saved file to confirm that all rent receipts are included. Organize the downloaded receipts in a folder specifically for Schedule E. Consider naming the folder clearly for easy identification in the future. Now, you have successfully backed up your rent receipts from AppFolio for Schedule E. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.